Let's talk food. A South Florida chef shows you how you can have a great meal with a simple rice dish.
That sounds good. Time to grab a bite with Belkys.
The chef, Eileen Andrade, serving up Latin and Asian fusion cuisine at Barbakoa by Finka in Doral.
Barbacoa means barbecue, so we definitely do a lot of things on the grill. Honestly, whatever you're craving, we definitely have it. And when you walk into our space, you're transported. You're not in Miami anymore. You know, we're playing 90s hip hop, but you're eating Latin food.
Barbacoa by Finka is the only full-service restaurant inside the Doral yard. You can find a menu of Latin Asian fusion that Chef Eileen is famous for. Order up some grill-fired dishes and even pizza. But stop by and check out the dish we're making today, oxtail fried rice. Chef Eileen starts by warming vegetable oil and sesame oil in a wok.
We're gonna go ahead and start with our red peppers.
Next, the oxtails. They're braised for several hours, then pulled off the bone.
This is braised with red wine, onions, carrots.
Now add carrots and maduros.
Which is fried sweet plantain, gives us some nice sweet, counterbalances the savoriness of the dish.
Throw in the cooked rice next, then soy sauce, ginger sauce, mushrooms, and scallions. Now you're ready to plate. Chef Eileen tops the rice off with a fried egg and garnishes with salt and chives.
Welcome to Barbacoa by Finka. This is our oxtail fried rice. Please enjoy.
Oh, I've had that. It is bomb. If you'd like to try the recipe, log on to our website at WSVN.com. Click on Entertainment and then on Bite. Follow me on social media as well for more recipes. That is good stuff. Live in the Newsplex, I'm Belkys. Bon appetito.
It's always at dinner time she shows us these things.
I forgot my dinner too, so even
well,
worse.
Maybe you can make some oxtail.
There we go. Sounds good in my office.